What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to install a trailer hitch for a 2017 Honda Pilot. In a separate video I'll show you how to do the wiring harness as well. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share just about anything DIY. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video.
6 bolts and washers, and just make sure when you put the washer on that it's on like this, that there's little bumps on here and they go up flush with the base of the hitch. So that's the way that goes on, but there's only 6, so you can see on this drawing here the way it's installed, and I'll show you underneath the car in just a minute. These are a 22 millimeter. You need a 22 millimeter socket to put these in. Well, it turns out I don't have a 22 millimeter socket in my set, but a 7/8 will work. Okay, so I got this side up over the exhaust over here and put it on a jack stand. Of course, I put a rag on it so it didn't scratch the paint too much. And then I'm going to try to lift this other side up and put a bolt in it up there. Okay, like I said, I got that other side up over the exhaust system, and then I put it on a jack stand, or I put a jack stand under it. I'm going to lift up on this side right here, lift it up and attach it. I'm going to put at least one of the bolts up there so I can lift the other side up and attach it as well. Like I said, this is not the easiest. So, get help. All I can say is get help. I'm about to cuss. Don't think I have it. Okay. I got it back over the exhaust. Now let's see. Oh shit, please don't. We're going to do it again. All I can say is get help. Get help. Oh my God. Oh my God, it started. Oh. 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 Okie dokie. Oh. Now I'm gonna try to get one in on the other side. Okay, so that worked actually. Oh, but I recommend getting help. Oh, huh. That's very strange. I'm gonna have to get a ratchet. That's very loud. I'm gonna have to get a ratchet for this last one because I can't get my drill in there because of the exhaust. Oh no.
dead batteries, of course.
Okay, that was supposed to be the easy part. It was not. Let me tell you, get some help. If you can, get some help. If not, do it the way I did. It's hard, but it works if you're by yourself. Anyways, it's getting hot. I had my, I parked my car in the shade as best as I could. I'm losing shade really quickly. Now I got to put the wiring harness on, and I think I'm gonna back it into the garage for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.